We are live, ladies and gentlemen. Aitx Red nearing 1,000 devices deployed milestone. Okay, so I looked at this headline and I'm like, that's not going to move the share price, but it's some good data to know. But what I want to know, on top of, okay, you're getting 1,000 devices deployed. My question for you is, if you're getting 1,000 devices deployed, how long did it take? What's the time frame here? How long did it take to go from 0 to 1,000 devices deployed? 3 years, 5 years? That's what I want to know. I'd rather know what the time frame was. How long did it take to get to 1,000 devices? And then maybe from there we can do some quick maths and figure out maybe how long it's going to get how long it's going to take to get to 2,000 devices. But let's read through here. Major milestone approaching once for once small disruptor, now mainstream in the security industry. 1,000 devices. This achievement not only marks the company's rapid expansion, but also signals Rad's growing presence as a mainstream solution provider in the security industry. Market demand. This milestone is significant as it validates that Rad is on the right path from a once small disruptor to a recognized leader in the security space. That's true. I can believe that. The industry's adoption of Rad's technology demonstrates the urgency for smarter, more proficient security solutions in today's environment, and we are proud to be delivering on that need. The company anticipates accelerated growth in the coming years. If they anticipate accelerated growth, again, I would like to know what the time frame was. Like, how long did it take to get to from 0 to 1,000 units? Because if it's going to have accelerated growth in the coming years, we should see more than 1,000 units. Although I wonder if 1,000 units is, I think 1,000, 1,000 units sounds small when you think about it, because those Radcams that are coming, I look forward to hearing how well their pre-orders did. But the Radcam AI that can sell easily over 1,000. I mean, it's probably going to sell like maybe 100 at most, just off of retail who loves the stock. But 1,000 sounds small. That's so small when you think about it. Like, that's not a lot. That's nothing. But I wonder how long it's going to take for them to get from 1,000 to 2,000. If they got accelerated growth, is that time frame going to be less? Like, is it going to take half the time to get from 1,000 to 2,000? I wonder. Because right now they only have like a couple machines out. I think Romeo's off. Yeah, Romeo's being rebuilt or something. Yeah, Romeo's not. They're not being leased out right now, if I recall. The demand is there. We're expanding our base of authorized dealers and other channel partners. The company plans to expand internal sales team to further support increased demand. I wonder at what point do they get to I'm wondering at what point do they get so many device orders that they have to expand like the business. Like, they have to get a new warehouse or factory or whatever. Warehouse, more than likely. That's what I wonder. In particular, Rad's Rosa and Rio units have seen strong market traction, which, yeah, like I was saying, it's been Roses and Rios really have been selling. It's the Rios that I always hear about. It's the Rios. People love those towers with the solar panels, but they have other devices. Romeo, a delivery robot that they're working on. We'll see how that goes. If anything happens with those, if they come back to market or whatever, their plan is for that. Since we haven't heard anything from Steve about those two, about Romeo and the delivery bot. A RAD unit is defined by the deployment of a single device, such as a Rosa or Ava, each counted as one unit. Rio has a Rio 180 and 360. Okay, so if someone gets a Rio 360, it includes two Rosa devices. Good to know. Counts as 2 units. Ross deployments, I haven't heard of Ross. I don't think we get many Ross orders. Ross deployments, some of which control up to 50 cameras, are not included in these counts. That's interesting. Does it include Ross? They're 24 units away from surpassing 1,000, and they anticipate crossing this threshold by the end of this month. Okay, there was nothing to take away from that. I was hoping for something big, but as of right now, the stock, that's Sybil. Aitx, you know what to do. Buy it down there nice and cheap. I believe we'll get a run next year. We get 2 a year. You know the game plan. That's it for the video. Short, sweet, to the point. You know what to do. Get in, buy it when it's cheap, buy it when there's no volume, when no one wants it, and sell it when it goes up. And I'll see you guys in the next one.